Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue. Issue is that when you're using the YouTube app and saying that it's keep crashing and not working properly and just crashing, and also in your Androids and also in iPhone. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps I'm gonna tell in this video. So make sure you can do that, and your problem gonna solve. So just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you just have a strong and a good Wi-Fi connection, and also make sure that you just upgrade the latest iOS version, and also make sure that you just not connected with any VPN right now. So if you have a connected VPN, just disconnect from that section. After that, just go back and just tap on a transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset all the network settings from here. So make sure that you just do all the settings I'm gonna tell in that video. After that, you just go back and scroll up in the general section and see that there's an option of iPhone storage. Just tap on that and see that option of a YouTube. Just tap on that and just see that there's an option of offload app. Simply just tap on that offload, and it cannot delete any documents, any data of your accounts which you can be login in the Apple account and your YouTube. So make sure that you just do that offload app and again download in that section. After that, if your problem not gonna solve, simply just go to the YouTube app and just uninstall it and again install from the App Store, and again sign in your accounts and make sure you cannot get any problems after that settings. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.